We're back with another hair dyeing video, hence the crazy hair. We're attempting to redo the calico, but we're going to do it slightly different. So I've got these two, excuse the dust, I've got these two colours. This is the Shrine Proper Copper Semi-Permanent Vegan Hair Dye, and this is the Knight & Wilson Gloss Pro Semi-Permanent Colour Mask in dark brown. So I've done a little bit more brown, so this is how I'm sectioning it. Basically, all the little plaited bits are the blonde, which I'm not touching today. And then these bits are the copper, and then I've got the two brown bits, so I'm going to do some dark on top, which I didn't do last time. I think I'm going to start with the copper, so I'm going to use this one. I've not used, wait, have I used this one and they've just changed the packaging? That's me being really stupid. I literally have half a bottle here, although it's been open for a while, so I don't actually know. I never used to put it in a box before, so I thought it was like a slightly different colour, but it's the same one, so at least I know what this looks like. I know I like this one. I know, like people said in my last video about the gloves, I know, I get it, but gloves are very difficult to work with, and I don't like it. It's really annoying. Plus these don't come with gloves, so you know. I just realised I've been saying the completely wrong brand. I've been saying Shrine, and I don't know why I've been saying that, because this is Bleach London. This is literally Bleach London. It's because I've got a Shrine copper over there, and for some reason that's on my brain. Bleach London Proper Copper, one of my favourite coppers, and it's just, yeah, it's such a nice colour. So I do apologise, Bleach London, if you see this. I didn't mean to say the wrong name. That was an accident. I'm going to ruin my nails, but what can we do? Right. It's going to be slightly different shades because I've got some like brown bits here and I've got some blonde bits, but I'm sure it'll be alright. Look at that colour. That is such a nice colour. I'm hoping for slightly less chaos in this video, because if you saw the last one, it was a bit chaotic, but I'm feeling a bit calmer today. I'm a bit more like, I know how I'm sectioning it, which is what stressed me out before, because I just did not know how I wanted to section it. Whereas I'm a bit more confident today. I'm like, yeah, this is how I want to do it. This is what we're doing. I just hope that I've left enough blonde in. I like to have a little bit of blonde still. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
There you.
Yeah. I am a bit of an idiot, as you may have already gathered, but I've just realised that this isn't actually a colour, I don't think, because it says for best results use on dark, very dark or medium brown hair, so I don't know if it's actually going to do anything to my hair. So what are we going to do with that? I've got this one from Bleach London, but it doesn't go very dark. But if I put that on the top, it might just darken it a little bit, and then that can boost the colour. Semi-permanent browns are so hard to find in like a shop without ordering it online. Okay, so I've got the Bleach London Proper Copper on here, and I've got the Bleach London Instant Coffee on the top, hoping that will darken it up a little bit. I do actually have gloves for this one, so I might try and put them on, you know. So I've used this brand before, it's Knight & Wilson. I haven't used them for a long time though. I used to use them all the time. When I was about 18, 19, I used to dye my hair like silver grey, and I used to use their colour for that, and it was like the best silver grey colour that you could get. So I'm hoping that this will be as good. I'm hoping this goes quite dark. I'm wanting it to be quite dark. It smells the same as the grey ones that I used to use, the silvery ones, and that smell just takes me right back. I don't know why, but that smell, the smell of this, like I said, it takes me back to when I used to do my hair. It makes me think of 21 Pilots. I think that's because I was obsessed with them when I used to dye my hair grey. So that's probably why, but that's really funny. I feel like I'm getting this all over the blonde at the back. So that's great. Okay, so that is all the colour on. I'll be back with the results, so hold tight. Okay, so we're starting to lose the light a little bit, so I can't bother to put my ring light on, so I'm going to show you quickly now how it looks. I really like it, but I'll show you properly tomorrow in the light, and I'm going to a little festival, so I'll have like my makeup and everything done, so I'll show you then.
Start